Here's the water test. Let's see if this thing is dry inside. Damn. Okay, so far very impressive. Those water seals do work. And it's dry. Completely dry. Even the basket is dry. Paper's dry. Put this paper towel in there so see if it got wet. Dry. See if this handle can handle its weight. Looks like the handle a lot of weight. Not bad.
Throwing packages is caught on camera. A Fort Worth man posted this video on Facebook. You can see the driver tossing them in the driveway instead of taking them to the front door. The homeowner says his neighbor brought the packages in for him before they were stolen or run over.
What's going on, guys? I'm okay. And so is the Packout. What's going on, guys? So far, we've thrown this thing. We've done the Amazon toss. We threw it off the camper. We tossed it, threw it at a squirrel on a tree, put blocks in it. I tried to drop it with blocks, but it was way too heavy. That was definitely over 50, 60 pounds, maybe 80 pounds. That was heavy. What else did we do?
We threw it on the tree.
Yep, we threw it at a tree. We tossed it around. We threw it in the grass. We tossed it with tools inside of it. Wrenches, heavy wrenches. What else did we do?
You were jumping on it.
I was jumping on it. I'm okay because I did fall off of it. We're beating the crap out of this thing. We did the water test. We sprayed water on top of it, hosed it down. No water got in it. So far I'm impressed. We need to do something bigger. So let's do something bigger. Ready? Let's get off of it and see the damage. Well, we know it can't handle a car's weight. Still works. All right, guys, let's try a torch test. See how well this plastic does. Don't want to touch this for a while. A beating. Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, check it out. You saw the test. You saw the stuff we did. You guys let me know. What did you think? Let's look at this thing real quick. So, it cracked. I tried to light it on fire. Burned it here. So now you guys let me know what you thought about this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Gonna crack a cold one open. End of the day. Cheers.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.